MeghalayaPost.news.
Kari Hospital kabadai ka multi super speciality Khyllai ban ai ka Jingsumar ai na kamta ki tu gibadan jingpang Khyllai kidney kibadan ma ha Khyllai stone kidney lembat kwe ki jingpang hari Bhoi pharmacy kabadan hasor nongpoh kene ka jinga Jingsumar daw doktor bala pentebet urologist kan long hak kharwai terik urumpang arajar arpungre ngadu ka por sibiji no paisni hadu san bajui janmiet nakaliang doktor debajit basya ubadai urologist ka Kari Hospital ulakhot lawere borok ki pai ba nong sungsnong kari Bhoi kitu gibadan jingpang haki Khyllai kibadan bat ki basem jinge ha junglet penji kirman ban shim kabu hakane jinga Jingsumar ai nakaliang ka Kari Hospital susu ulakhot lawer bahagane Jingsumar ai kanom dan kanu jingsim pisa bat kani kadai sibenta ka jingerap kerpang nakaliang ka Kari Hospital nakabenta kitu ki pajba ki bamar ya kitei jingpa.
Hello viewers, I am Dr. Devajit Basha, consultant urologist, Khyllai Hospital, Jorabat. By this video, we want to ask everyone of the Bhoi district to come for a free health camp organized by Bhoi Pharmacy on 11 February 2 p.m. With association with Khyllai Hospital. So people who are suffering from kidney stone, prostate problem, any kidney related issue, CKD and urinary problem, and people are suffering from male sexual disorder can come for a free consultation and checkup on 11th February Wednesday at 2 p.m. Bhoi Pharmacy. Thank you.
MeghalayaPost.news.